Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about what is interface and what is abstract class, what is the advantage of these two in Java. Okay, coming to the first thing, what is interface? Interface in Java, it is just blueprint to the class. Okay, it is just blueprint and it is providing us the abstraction. Okay, abstraction means where we are hiding the information. You are hiding the information. You don't want to show all the information to the end users. Then you need to hide your information and all. Okay. So interface provides it is just a blueprint to the class, and where it is providing 100% abstraction to the data or methods whatever you are having. Okay. Interface contains all are static variables. Okay. Whatever the variable you declared, by default it is a static final variable, and all are by default, all the methods are abstract methods. Abstract methods means which does not have which doesn't have any implementation, doesn't have any implementation in it. Okay, so interface contains by default what variables? Static final variables by default. And it contains abstract methods. Abstract means hiding. Okay, abstract methods, it means which doesn't have any implementation and all. Like that is how the interface will be built. It contains only the variables and abstract methods, and interface doesn't have any implemented methods. If you are implementing something inside of interface, it will not allow us. Interface should have only the variables and methods. That too, those methods should be abstract methods which does not have any implementation. Now in the going forward, you will understand in this session what is the importance of abstract methods and all. Okay, so abstract class means where the class is containing, okay, abstract class means where the class is containing some abstract methods and some implemented methods. Okay, some implemented methods. There is no mandatory like you need to have the implemented methods. So you can have all abstract methods also, or you can have some of them are implemented methods also you can have. Though you don't have the abstract methods, but still you can make it as a class as a abstract. Okay, so any one method is abstract, then that method should be an abstract class. Okay, so 100% abstraction you are getting with the interface, whereas this partial abstraction you are getting with the abstract class and all. I hope you understand what is abstract method. Abstract method means what? It does not have any implementation. Okay, there is no implementation for the methods. Why we need to mention without any implementation, why we need to have the methods? Later you will understand the end of this video. Okay, so abstract class in the sense some of the methods are implemented or concrete methods. Implemented or concrete, both are same. And other methods, maybe we may have abstract methods in our class. Okay, let me take one simple example and we will see all these concepts how it is going to work. Let me create one new class here. I'm going to create one more class, which is I can create interface example. I'm taking one class here. Okay, in this class, how I am going to declare the interface and abstract methods, please carefully understand here. I am taking one interface. This is the syntax, guys. Interface. My interface name is animals. Okay, this is one interface I have taken. Another interface I am taking like humans. This is another interface I am taking. And one more interface I am taking like birds. These three are the different interfaces I have taken. Okay, so here commonly we may have, let me take one variable here, int animal legs. For example, legs equal to 4 I have given. Okay, fine. By default, as I told you, what is the data type of this variable? Public. By default in the interface, any variable will be there. Its data type is public static final, which is a final variable. You cannot change the value of it. Similarly, animal, right? It may sound for us. Sound, one method. If you are giving like this way, it means it will consider it as a implementation. You can see error message here. Abstract methods do not specify a body. Okay, So if these brackets were giving curly braces, it means it will treat that as a implemented method. By default, any method, now this is public abstract method. What is this one, guys? Public abstract void sound. Okay, like this way it is going to consider internally. Compiler will change like this way. And let me have one more, like void walk method will be also there. Okay, one more method I am going to have. Fine, these are all the few methods available here. And let me remove this. This is my interface, human interface. Okay, what this interface is having, like I may walk, right? So already here walk is there, like move. Here let me change it to move method. Now coming to the humans, walk also, like humans can jump also, right? These are all the unimplemented methods. Abstract methods, these two are abstract, I don't have any implementation. These two are abstract, I don't have any implementation. When you try to do the implementation, it will not allow us. Okay, birds will be there. Let me assume birds can fly. Fly method is there. Okay, these three are the different interfaces, guys. These three are the different interfaces. Can I implement these three interfaces in one class? That is nothing but multiple inheritance. Okay, inheritance means what? Getting the parent properties into a child class, so that is inheritance. But multiple inheritance is not allowed with the classes, but whereas multiple inheritance is, okay, live. I am having live one class, and implements I am having animals, and I am implementing humans, I am implementing birds. Okay, so this is my class. Now carefully understand here, the type live must implement the inherited abstract method animals.move. So it is saying some methods are there in these interfaces which you need to implement. You are implementing any interfaces into your class, you need to provide implementation to all these methods. This is nothing but multiple inheritance. Okay, so it is not allowed with classes, but with interfaces it is allowed. Okay, for example, I am not implementing all the methods here. In this class I am implementing only void my sound method only I am implementing. Okay, let me take, okay, so let me take my class as dog class. Okay, dog class. Dog can do some sound, right? It is going to do some sound, like, okay, I am just giving some sound. It is going to do it. That's fine. I implemented one method. What is this? It is also saying all our unimplemented methods are there. Sound method I have implemented. System class contains several useful class fields and methods. That's fine. Okay, so this sound method I have implemented. Let me make it as a public void. Okay, that's fine. And I want to implement one more method also, public void walk method. Okay, walk method also I want to implement here. Okay, humans can walk. Humans can walk. That is the message. Perfect. But remaining all the methods, like only I implemented two methods only, sound and walk. This sound method I implemented and walk method, but this move method, jump method, fly method I am not implementing. Okay, I don't want to implement here. If you don't want to implement, still you need to provide implementation for all these methods. Okay, so then you need to make that class as a abstract class. You need to make that class as a abstract. See, now no error is getting. Now it means that this class is also a abstract. It is also having some unimplemented methods over here. Okay, let me take, I have one more class here. Class, let me take one more class like cow class. Let me take, for example. Okay, again in this class also I am extends from where? Dog class only. I am extending from here only. See, here also this message is coming. Add unimplemented methods. These are all the unimplemented methods here. Okay. So I am providing implementation for all these methods over here. Let me provide some implementation. If in the braces it is there, it means that it is implementation. It is move method. Similarly, I am providing implementation to here also. Implementation means braces, curly braces you are using, it means that it is implementation. It will, Java will treat it as a implementation. That's it. Okay, I am providing here also fly method. Perfect. So carefully understand here. I have taken three interfaces. One is animals, humans and bots. Different methods. Interface contain only what? Abstract methods, which does not have any implementation. Okay. Fine. I am implementing all these interfaces into my dog class, which I have provided some methods implementation, but rest I did not. That is the reason I am making this class also a abstract class. Again, I am going to ask you one question. Can I create an object to the interface? Can I create an object to the abstract? Because it is containing all our abstract methods. It is also not providing complete information about remaining methods and all. So we cannot create object to the interface and abstract class. Okay, we cannot create object to the abstract class and the interface. Okay, that point please try to remember. Perfect. See here, I am providing implementation and all here, and that cow class I am extending here. Extends cow. Okay. See, now no errors are there here. All the methods are implemented. Can I try to create object to this dog class? Please carefully understand here. Can I try to create object? Dog D equal to new dog. Is it possible? It is not at all possible. You can carefully understand here. Cannot instantiate the type dog. Because dog is what here? It is the abstract class. You cannot create the object. Similar way, animals is there. Animals A equal to new animals can I give? Because animals is the interface. See, cannot instantiate the type animals. It is interface. So now I want to access all these methods. Then I want to access all these methods. Then what we need to do? Then you can create object to the your cow class. Okay, your cow class you can create an object, and you can able to access all these things here. Okay, see, now no error is there. You can able to see here, fly method is there, jump, move, okay, sound, all these methods, walk, all these methods are available. And also see here, legs also, integer variable, it is also allowed. But you want to fetch, since it is a static variable, right, directly also you can fetch the value of legs, because as I told you, it is a static variable. How we can get it? Animals dot legs. Directly I can access by using class name. Directly I can, okay, plus is missing here. So directly I can access by using animals, because all the variables in the interface by default are public static final. All the methods by default public abstract void. Okay, fine, guys. So like this way we can work with this is interface, how it will look like. And this is abstract class. We cannot create objects to the interface and abstract class because it is having unimplemented methods. If something is unimplemented, if you create an object and making a call to that method, what will happen? You are making a call to unimplemented method. If suppose it will allow us to create an object, it is having unimplemented method. You are trying to make a call to it. Then see, it may leads to the unexpected result, right? So that is the reason, if something is not completed 100%, then in Java, it will not allow us to create the objects. So interface doesn't allow to create the objects, and abstract class also doesn't allow us to create the objects. Okay, fine. So like this way, directly I can access any variable and all. I can access. See now, any method you can access. C dot, for example, fly method is there. You can directly use it here. Similarly, C dot, I want to jump method. All the methods are available here now. C dot, sound method, you can access. Okay, because see, cow is inheriting from the dog. Dog is inherited from all these. Okay, so like this way, the interfaces. What is the use? Abstraction. See, Anybody will see these two methods, nobody will understand what is there inside. So that is nothing but abstraction. Later on in the child classes, you are providing the implementation according to your own requirement. Okay. So by using interfaces and abstract classes, we are getting our functionality hiding part, we are going to get it so that nobody will understand what is there inside, and later on the child classes we are going to provide the implementation for them, especially for abstract class and interface, where we are going to get the complete functionality hiding or data hiding will be happen here, and also implements multiple interfaces. So this is not possible with classes, so multiple inheritance is possible with the interfaces and all. Okay, that's fine. One more important thing I want to tell you here. Okay, for example, as I told you, I cannot create an object to the animals class, animals interface, sorry, this is the interface. Can I create a reference variable to the interface? Can I create a reference variable like this way? Animals a equal to new cow. Can I create? See, no error it is giving. Animals a equal to new cow I am creating. So, but please understand carefully here what methods are available here now. I think only these two methods will be available, sound and move. Please carefully understand here, sound and move, sound, move, these two methods only available for us, sound and move. No other methods, please check it out, no other methods are there. So it means that you want to restrict what methods to call. Okay, you want to restrict what methods to call, then you can give reference variable of the interface but object of your child class. Okay, this is object of your child class cow, but this is reference variable of your interface. Interface can have the reference variable, but for interface we cannot create the object. Okay, what is the advantage, guys? So we can restrict here to make a call to methods available in that interface. Okay, that is the advantage. You want to restrict, okay, you want to restrict to make a call to only methods available here, then you need to go with the like this type of syntax. It is nothing but dynamic polymorphism, or it is nothing but, so dynamically it is going to decide what methods to call and all. Dynamically in runtime it will be deciding what object it is creating and all. Okay, so dynamically it is deciding, runtime it is deciding what methods to call and all. It is not compile time. So this way you want to restrict your below classes, or you want to restrict based on interface what methods to call and all, then this way also you can create. But cow, yeah, this is your child class, you can able to make a call to all the available methods. But here interface reference variable you are giving your interface for your child class object. Okay, in this child class, whatever the methods available in this interface, only those methods you can make a call. So you want to restrict based on the reference variable of the interface to make a call to only methods available in that interface, then this type of syntax we have used. See, you might have seen so many times in our Selenium, WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver we have used. Okay, so this is the syntax we have used. WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver. Now you can think of it, what is happening here, and let me know. Okay, that is the question for you. So this is the syntax we are using from so long in the automation. If you are in the beginning of the manual testing, that's fine. If you are in automation, then let me know. Please try to understand the syntax and let me know, guys. Okay, so that is about the interface and abstract classes, how we are using Java and all. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. That's all for this video.